Hey guys, with all the amazing headphones and speakers that are currently in the market, it feels like soundbars has been largely ignored. But this isn't the case for Creative Labs, as the Sound Blaster Katana SE is the fourth product within the Katana soundbar speakers category. It is designed for gamers, movie and music enthusiasts who wants to experience an extra layer of sound immersion, along with a few features that might also attract setup enthusiasts. Before we begin, let's find out what's in the box. If you are looking at the Katana SE for purely gaming audio, you may balk at the initial price tag of 449 Singapore dollars. But in the context of a soundbar that can be easily used with the television, as it can with computers, that might just be worth it. I used to own the Katana V2, which is why I'm fairly familiar with the Katana range of products. But one thing is for sure, I give kudos to the team for the ease of use of this soundbar. It is a super simple plug-and-play speaker, which makes it the go-to soundbar for almost everyone. With that, it does not mean that there is no customizable functions for the more avid audiophiles. You can download the Creative app and adjust the sound signatures to your own preference. One of the noticeable difference between the Katana SE versus the other Katana range of products is the delivery of rich audio without the added logistics of an external subwoofer. I have to admit, the soundbar itself looks a lot more compact than what I was expecting. The soundbar measures just 650mm long, 109mm wide, and 78mm tall. It also weighs around 2.6 kilograms, which makes it pretty portable to move around the house for any setup enthusiasts. It seems to me that Creative Labs are continuously looking to elevate the audio experience without compromising on space or audio quality. The soundbar also lives easily under a 24 or 27-inch monitor, fits perfectly in confined spaces, and it's solidly built while retaining its sleek-looking design. It also sports a matte grey finish, which I am also a huge fan of. The Sound Blaster Katana SE is also very versatile, with a host of ports and connectivity options. The soundbar is also wall mountable, so you can mount it on the wall just below your television as well. Despite having Bluetooth 5.0, I do not plan on using that function as much, because I truly believe that audio quality is best experienced when you plug it directly to its source. The soundbar also features fabric dome tweeters for cleaner and more refined highs, and it also has a bi-amplification system, allowing the soundbar to deliver clear and loud audio even without an external subwoofer. Just like its predecessors, the Katana SE is also a certified Dolby audio decoder, and what this means is that you will truly get an immersive cinematic experience at the comfort of your own home. At the top of the Katana SE, you'll find a few different buttons, first of which is the power and Bluetooth pairing button. Then we have the volume and source button, which sets the type of connectivity input in the soundbar. Finally, the last two buttons which control the mode where there are presets for gaming, music, etc. And Super X5, which is Creative's audio projection, which gives you a virtual surround sound mode when you plug in a pair of headphones. At this point, you might have noticed the Katana SE employs RGB LED lights lined at the underside of the soundbar, and this provides a cool ambient lighting effect. The lights can also be controlled via the dedicated remote to enable different lighting profiles. The remote layout is fairly simple and easy to use, and it's quite self-explanatory. Thus, you wouldn't have any issues when navigating a soundbar. There is also the headphone jack at the front right beside the display, and if you don't want to bother your neighbors at night, it's right there and it's easy to access. So from my personal experience of using the Katana SE from the past few weeks, I never once had to go beyond 30 volume level on the soundbar. And the reason for it is loud enough. I'm pretty sure that if I were to actually go higher, I would probably get a noise complaint. There are a few things I noticed about the sound from the Katana SE. Number 1, the trebles itself were pretty detailed, and number 2, despite not having an external subwoofer, the bass response isn't too shabby at all. Moreover, you are also able to adjust custom bass frequencies on Katana SE, ranging from -10 decibels all the way to +6 decibel, depending on your own preference. I will be running a few sound demonstrations with different sound settings for you to truly experience how the Katana SE sounds like. There might be a few variables that affect how it sounds like through the video itself, so if you have an opportunity to head down to the store to try out in person, definitely do so. From the sound test, the Katana SE definitely did outperform my expectations. However, if you are planning to play any first-person shooter games like Valorant or CSGO, where the game is based heavily on positional awareness, instead of playing it from the speaker itself, what I highly recommend you to do is to plug in the headphone jack so that you'll be able to identify which direction is the enemies coming from. So here are my closing thoughts on the Katana SE. I feel that the soundbar itself has been designed really well to function in close proximity for PC gaming, and it does not really lose any audio definition when you are seated around 2 to 4 meters away while watching a movie. I think you can truly get an immersive experience when you have it as an under-monitor speaker, and I think it's safe to say that you can get good audio quality for the price that you pay for. The soundbar itself is compact, it's well designed, and most importantly, it sounds good. Believe it or not, but the Katana SE may have just taken its spot on my table as an under-monitor soundbar. Before I go, I just wanted to highlight that this video isn't sponsored at all, and the team at Creative Labs has sent me this Katana SE soundbar for my own review. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed what I shared today, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you on the next one.